gonna start confessing. Okay, so wait, guys. Wait. Let's start confess. I'd show you this, but my mom doesn't want me to buy a store, but I just built a store by my own self. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, if you want to drive, but look at this. If you want to drive, just like that. Help me.
Okay kasi yung TV. Update niya siya.
I'm gonna die. Okay, so wait, guys. I'm gonna pack it for you. Bye-bye, guys.